So this is how I prepared my delicious applesauce meal. I actually got the inspiration from Angela. She used apple and every other vegetable that she added on her own. But this is how I prepared mine. I used apple, I used bell peppers, I used onion, um tomatoes. I used in place of the corned beef that she used, I used hot dog, chicken breast. Yeah. So these are the ingredients that I used. So this is me cutting the all the cuttings. Yeah. So after cutting everything, I have to wash it. Yeah, thoroughly. So after washing, so I'm done with the cutting. You guys can see this is my carrot. This is everything. Okay. So it's time to prepare the meal. It's actually not difficult to prepare. So first of all, I have to add my oil. After heating it for a short time, I have to add my onion. Then I added my tomatoes. I fried it for a little time. Then I added my chicken breast. I have to cook it for like 5 minutes. Okay, then I added all the vegetables and all the ingredients, every other thing that is being needed for this food to be okay. So this is me stirring it for the last time. Oh my, you guys should go and try this food. I actually saw this and I was thinking that, oh, the apple is going to test, have its own taste, because I saw on the comment section a lot of people were saying, how is this thing going to taste? How can you cook vegetables mixed with apple? Guys, go and try this meal. It's so amazing. Hey, hey, Chineke. I didn't even know that this food is going to taste like this. It just tastes like, the normal vegetables, the other vegetables that you put, they are all the same. It has no different taste, or maybe it's sour or whatever. No, it is very delicious. Like, I can't even believe that I finished this meal. So guys, let me know what you guys think concerning this meal. So let me know in the comment section, would you like to try this meal? For me, one thing that I forgot to put on this meal is broccoli. Yeah, it will have make it to be more delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up on this video, and please share, give it a try, and you're going to thank me later. Mm. Oh, I love this. I love this. I just measured the ingredients. I did not put any other thing aside of the things that I brought out. That is to tell you that I know how to cook.